Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your audio IDs public in Roblox for 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come here on roblox.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of create in the top right hand corner. Then you will be landed here in your creator account of Roblox. Over here, click on the option of creations in the left hand section. After that, select the option of development items. In the development items, you will see the audio tab. So when you click on it, you need to simply upload your asset. So here, click on the option of upload asset. After that, in the asset type, simply select audio. Then you need to upload your audio from your device. Afterwards, you need to give your audio a name and the description. Then click on the option of upload. So once your audio is uploaded successfully, it is going to look something like this. Over here, in order to make it public, you need to simply just click on it. Then you need to just scroll down and turn this toggle button on. Now, in order to turn this toggle button on, you need to first get approval to distribute. For that, you need to submit your audio for review. Then this particular button will be activated. So once you have it, you just have to turn this on and save changes. With the help of it, you will be able to make your audio ID public in Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.